We're giving people the opportunity to actually have real impact. They'll be able to see where their money's gone and the land that's purchased and the restoration that will and can occur.
So you're buying land to rewild it, securing it for future biodiversity, but doing it in a way that's fun and actually provides perks to those who support you.
Yeah, and along the way, we want to make it interesting. We want to do something different to what's been done before. Win for Nature is a subscription business. You subscribe, you get access to discounts at our partner businesses. You start accruing tickets into prize giveaways that we're running, and then we pool all that money and buy land for restoration. We want to make it that the value that you can get back from the discounts is more than the cost of your subscription. Restoration organisations, they basically do three things. They get land, they get seed, and they plant trees all at scale. All of those things are really hard to do, but without the land, you can't do any of it.
How has Taronga's Hatch supercharged by LG impacted you, and what will you take from this?
It's an accelerator. Like, I've been working on this for a couple of years now, and Hatch has been an amazing accelerator. Like, it's pushed us along to do things much quicker, to test things much quicker, to test assumptions. And yeah, obviously meeting all the other people who are doing great things and just leaning into that. It's been great.
Tell me, why does rewarding impact matter?
I guess there's two big reasons. There's research that shows that even if they really believe in a cause, people are 4 times more likely to give to that cause if they get something back. We want to tap into that. The idea is you reward this impact and more people are going to join up, more people are going to, help nature, and we can do bigger things quicker. And the second reason is because we should reward impact. Life's good when we do good together.